Frostproof Gardenia. Frostproof Gardenia. If you live in a cooler area, you know how those late frosts can damage plants, even if it is only a few degrees of cold. Once your plants begin to grow, they are more easily damaged, and since gardenias develop their flower buds early, a late frost can easily kill them. The frostproof gardenia is a new variety, especially developed to avoid that problem, so you get normal flowering, even after a late frost. This amazing plant has all the delicious perfume of traditional gardenias, in beautiful double flowers, but it will grow throughout Zone 7, with buds that are resistant to late frosts, and which go on to develop into beautiful double flowers that spread that amazing exotic perfume throughout your garden. This evergreen shrub has attractive glossy rich green leaves, and it will grow into a shrub up to 5 feet tall and 4 feet across. You can even grow a gardenia hedge. The famous gardenia perfume will flow all summer from a succession of fully double white blossoms 2 inches across. Even when not in flower during the cooler months, this gardenia has such lovely foliage, you will never stop admiring it. Resistant to late frosts, beautiful double white flowers and rich perfume. Attractive glossy evergreen foliage, grown well in sun or partial shade, easily grown with regular watering. Resistant to late frosts, beautiful double white flowers and rich perfume. Attractive glossy evergreen foliage, grown well in sun or partial shade, easily grown with regular watering. Plant your frostproof gardenia in a sunny or partially shaded spot in well-drained soil, preferably slightly acidic. Add plenty of organic material to the soil and apply organic mulch every spring. Water regularly so that the soil never dries completely. This plant has no significant pests and disease and is not even eaten by deer. For a hedge, clip once a year after flowering ends.
The gardenia bushes are getting ready to bloom. This is my first gardenia flower that come on my gardenia bush. I will show you more of the gardenia bushes when they're all full of bloom. This is my first one, my first baby. Ain't he beautiful? Look how beautiful he is.
Despite having better frost tolerance, frostproof has very delicate roots, which may actually be damaged if they have to compete with neighboring plants. Transplanting is similar to that of other gardenias, although extra care must be taken when handling the roots. Make sure the plant is in good health before attempting to transplant or repot, as gardenias don't like being moved. In late summer, prune the plant back by 1/4 to 1/3, and allow it to heal for 1 week before beginning the transplant. Prepare the new location, either ground or a new container